There is a difference between luxury and a Rolls-Royce. And then, there is the Phantom. For over a century, the Phantom has carried the title of the best car in the world. It doesn't follow trends. It sets the standard for the entire automotive industry. This is not just a mode of transportation. It is a moving sanctuary, a six-figure masterpiece designed for those who have already conquered the world. Today, we step inside the flagship of flagships to see why, in an era of digital screens and plastic trim, the Phantom remains the undisputed king of the road. Asterisk: the design of the Phantom is monolithic. It doesn't scream for attention. It commands it through sheer presence. At the front, the iconic Pantheon grille hand-polished stainless steel is larger than ever, topped by the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy. The laser headlights provide over 600 meters of illumination. But it's the side profile that truly impresses. The waftability line flows from the front to the rear, giving the car a sense of perpetual motion. The 22-inch wheels feature the self-righting center caps, ensuring the Rolls-Royce logo never turns upside down. Whether it's the short wheelbase or the extended model, the Phantom looks like it was carved from a single block of marble. It is timeless, elegant, and intimidatingly beautiful. Asterisk: open the rear coach doors, which close at the touch of a button, and you enter the suite. The first thing you notice is the silence. Rolls-Royce uses over 130 kilograms of sound insulation and double-glazed windows to create what they call the architecture of luxury. The dashboard features the gallery, a single piece of glass that allows owners to commission unique artworks to be displayed across the dash. Above you, the Starlight headliner, composed of over 1,300 fiber optic lights, can be customized to show any constellation you desire. From the lambswool floor mats that your feet sink into, to the refrigerated champagne cooler and the finest leather sourced only from high-altitude boules, every touchpoint in this cabin feels like it belongs in a palace. Asterisk: under the long, sweeping hood sits a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12. It doesn't roar. It hums with a quiet, effortless power. With 563 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque, the Phantom moves with a grace that is almost supernatural. But the real magic is the flag-bearer system. Using cameras to read the road ahead, the satellite-aided transmission and air suspension adjust in milliseconds to counteract bumps before you even reach them. This creates the famous magic carpet ride. You don't feel the road. You float over it. Driving or being driven in a Phantom is the closest a human can get to levitating while traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. Asterisk: in a world that is moving faster and louder every day, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is a reminder of the power of stillness. It is a car that asks for nothing and provides everything. It isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the state of mind you're in when you arrive. If you have to ask why, you simply aren't the target audience. But for those who can, there is simply no substitute. But I want to hear your thoughts. If you were commissioning your own Phantom today, what artwork would you put in the gallery? And in a world of high-tech electric SUVs, do you think the V12 Phantom still holds the crown? Let me know in the comments below.